Welcome to the world of Python programming, where we'll explore the fascinating concept of lists and tuples. Lists are the collection of items. They are ordered and mutable, meaning you can change their contents. Tuples, on the other hand, are similar to the list, but they are immutable, meaning once they are created, they can be changed. In this presentation, we will dive deeper into these concepts and learn how they can be used in Python programming. Lists. Lists are the useful in Python programming because they allow you to store, manipulate large amount of data. For example, you can use a list to store a list of names or numbers and then perform operations on the entire list, such as sorting or searching for a specific element. Adding element to the list is straightforward using the append method. For example, if we have a list of numbers and we want to add a number 5 to the end of the list, we can use mylist.append 5. Lists are useful in Python programming because they allow to store and manipulate large amount of data. For example, you can use a list to store the Lists are useful in Python programming because they allow to store and manipulate large amount of data. For example, you can use a list to store large amount of data like numbers and names and then perform operation on the entire list, such as sorting or searching for a specific element. Adding element to a list is straightforward using the append method. For example, if we have to list of numbers and we want to add the number 5 to end of the list, we can use mylist.append of 5. Removing element from a list can be done using several methods, including remove, pop, and del dot. The remove method removes the first occurrence of the specific element, while pop removes an element at a specific index, returns its value. The del can also be used to remove elements by their index. Tuples. Tuples are defined as parentheses instead of square brackets, and elements are separated by commas. For example, a tuple contains the number 1, 2, and 3 would be written as 1, 2, 3. Tuple can also be contain different type of elements such as strings and integers. One of the key feature of tuples is their immutability, which means once the tuple is created, it cannot be modified. This makes tuple useful for the situation where you want to ensure that data remains constant throughout your program. Common operation that can be performed on the tuple, including indexing and slicing. Just like with the list, you can access individual element of a tuple using their index positions. Additionally, you can use slicing to extract the subset of elements from a tuple. And there we go. Conclusion. In conclusion, lists and tuples are powerful data structures in Python programming. This allows for effective storage and manipulation of data. Lists are mutable and can be modified easily, while tuples are immutable and provide a secure way to store data that should not be changed. Both lists and tuples offer a variety of operations that can be performed on them, such as indexing, slicing, and sorting. It is important to understand the differences between lists and tuples and when to use each one in your program. By using these data structures effectively, you can write more efficient and effective code. We encourage you to explore these concepts further and experiment with different way to use the list and tuple in your own programming project. So here is a simple program to print thank you and Sia. So, and there we are to the end of this video. So if you like the video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. See ya.